So I tried to download Arch Linux and like failed at it. Not really, because I have the. So the first thing I did was obviously install it. What the fuck? Yo! Sorry guys, I got a little bit sidetracked. But downloading it was like kind of confusing and made me feel really dumb. Because I was navigating the page for a couple minutes trying to find out where you downloaded it. And it was from these virus looking links. How was I supposed to know that AA on net is where I get my OS from? Shut up! But after I downloaded it, it was pretty easy. Just plugged it into Rufus and then, well, rebooted my PC. I couldn't really record the installation part because, well, you know. But I can show you this 3-second clip I got of my Arch Linux setup. Now, the reason it's a 3-second clip is because OBS would crash if it was longer than 3 seconds. And this is because Arch Linux is slow. Like, it is slow.
It is slower than a disabled sloth without limbs.
And I don't know if this is because I just messed something up while installing it, but I'm just gonna blame Arch Linux because I'm perfect. But that's it, basically. I probably won't use Arch Linux because of how laggy it is. And I'll probably stick to Windows. Mainly because I just have all my apps on Windows. Bye.